What's up? This is going to be my cold start drill for December 21st with the Gen 5 70 rounds, 5 yards, 7 yards, 10 yards. For the first 5 yards, I'm going to fire 10 rounds, focus on the quick draw in a solid tight picture group with a smooth trigger pull just to try and warm up. So mostly focusing on speed over accuracy right now, trying to get warmed up before the 7 yards. Yeah, looks about like 5 yards. Alright, so 5 yards again, 10 rounds, quick draw, solid sight picture, smooth trigger pull. Well, wasn't too bad. Had one little flyer on the left. All right. So this is going to be about 7 yards right here. Take a little bit more time right now here and shoot. So about 10 yards. Take my time. Again, trying to hit everything in that small square on the inside. Alright, this is going to be my target for the 30 round cold start drill. So I was really trying to get everything within this square right here, focusing on my sight picture and trigger pull, but as you can see at that 10 yards, moving out a little bit further, got a little hits outside of that zone, but still good hits.